Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you join me at London Concours, the city's premier supercar and classic car event. Let's go around and take a look. So one of the things I like to do with my channel is to bring you stories about the very special cars, the rarer cars, and this is one of them, a Ferrari T30 LB, which looks like a 250 GTO, and you would be mistaken to think it is a 250 GTO from the front because effectively that's what it is. But if you come towards the back of the car, it's more of a 250 GT Lusso. So what makes this car special? Well, it's the first car ever to reach 300 kilometers an hour on the Mulsanne Straight at Le Mans. Unfortunately, during the race, there were two cars that were entered and both failed to finish. We've got a piece of history right here, guys. A Ferrari 250 short wheelbase driven by Stirling Moss and Graham Hill at Le Mans. Here we have the Lamborghini Countach, probably one of the most underrated supercars in my opinion, and it celebrates 50 years since its first unveiling as a concept car at the Geneva Motor Show. So when the Countach was first unveiled, it completely shocked the world, but it didn't have the wider wheel arches that we see here. It was much simpler in terms of design. The wheel arches came in after what Walter Wolf bought 3 LP400s, the original car, and decided to add his own touch, and that included adding wider wheels and the wheel arches and adding a wing. The wing itself was adjustable from inside the car, which no other Countach had. The Countach concept car and the actual production car were quite similar in design, but there were a number of small but key differences. First of all, it was the nose. The nose had to be extended a little bit forward because under high speed braking the back end will become a little bit loose. To balance that out, they actually extended the front nose. Another thing that was different from the concept car was these air intakes, which were added for cooling. Come to the 200 mile an hour supercar lineup, and the first car is the Bugatti Chiron in launch spec. Next to it is the LaFerrari. Now the LaFerrari has been around with us for a while now. What I'm interested in is the next one. What's coming up next? Ferrari have announced their entry into the World Endurance Championship for the outright win, as well as the Le Mans 24 hours for the first time, I think, since 1967. Now I'm wondering if they are looking to replace the LaFerrari with a hypercar that competes in the championship. Here we have a Lamborghini Diablo GT, a road legal version of the GT2 race car. These are extremely rare, only 80 of them were made. Here we have the Lotus Evija, in my opinion the best looking electric supercar, hypercar on the market. Here we have the Aston 177, probably one of the best looking modern Astons. I'm a big fan of this car, a true gentleman's hypercar. Here's another rare car, a Bentley Mulliner Bacalar, one of only 11 to be made. I think they're about $1 million. Not too sure about it. Let me know what you think down below. you for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.